Hello, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I am an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It received huge response all over the world, widely read by various leaders, including CEOs. I have been inspired by this book and also the response from various readers across the world. Hence, I have authored another book titled 21 Success Sutras for CEOs. This book talks exclusively from the perspective of CEOs who led during turbulent times. It contains lots of case studies, success stories with lots of examples. It contains 21 sutras, and one of the sutras it talks about is emphasize on organizational culture. So this chapter entirely talks about organizational culture. Why we need to have organizational culture is that when the organizational culture is very strong, all employees will be connected emotionally. They forget their differences. They work under one roof and they join together and they feel that they are one. That's one thing. And strategy and organizational culture are two sides of the same coin. That means strategy is one side, means organizational culture has to be another side. Both have to go together. So when we talk about this organizational culture, we recall some companies like Virgin Group, Google, Apple Company, Southwest Airlines, and Jappos.com. So in this chapter, I mostly talk about Jappos.com. Jappos.com is an online shoe and clothing shop. Its CEO is Tony Shai, a very dynamic leader, a visionary leader. He is an internet entrepreneur. And in 1999, Jappos.com didn't have any sales, whereas in 2008, it generated 1 billion US dollars merchandise sales. In 2009 and 2010, it has been recognized by Fortune magazine as one of the 100 companies to work for. So how it has happened? It's basically because Tony Shoi's vision and his passion and his ability to encourage his employees and take their ideas and distill them into 10 values. Jappos.com has got 10 values which have come from its employees. On holidays, Tony Shai himself attends customers for 10 hours. He is very passionate in what he does, and he has also authored a book, Delivering Happiness, based on his success story, Jappos.com. So this Jappos.com's strength is human resources. Usually companies they focus more on technical acumen, whereas Jappos.com emphasizes more on cultural acumen. If candidates are having a very high technical acumen and if they don't have cultural acumen, they won't be selected. On the other hand, if the candidates have very high cultural acumen but less technical acumen, still they can be recruited. After giving training, they will be asked to leave the company with a package of 2000 US dollars, and mostly employees won't leave. So that means it shows the strength of Jappos.com and its value system. Its concept is very clear. Take care of your employees so that employees can take care of customers. Happy customers will tell to more customers and they will bring more and more customers. When more and more customers come, the organizational bottom lines will automatically go up. That's what the strategy. It doesn't believe in marketing and advertising. Its main strength is word of mouth by the satisfied customers. Because of that, it is highly successful. So the takeaway from today's video is that organizations have to emphasize an organizational culture to take their organizations from good to great, and they always have to emphasize as employees first, customers second, and shareholder third. That's the message. Thank you very much for your time.